Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you out there. Because today, here it is, the nice looking AKIYO O7 LED beamer or projector, or as you like to call that. That it is comes with a native 1080p Full HD resolution and 18,000 lumens. Oh, that's a lot. And it's a Wi-Fi Bluetooth beamer in which have a 4K support with up to 300 inches of display size for outdoor and indoor. And it is compatible to our mobile phone. This projector can handle iOS, Android, television sticks, personal computers, PlayStation, Xbox, via HDMI, and other devices, which we are going to connect with that device. The AKIYO O7 projector has a native resolution of 1920 to 1080p, and it supports 4K with 18,000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 12,000 to 1. It delivers a clear image and the bright colors. The latest LED eye protection technology effectively minimizes eye damage by blue light, and it is therefore either for requirements of our eye care. And it's equipped with the latest 5G Wi-Fi chip, because the AKIYO Wi-Fi projector gives us the device wireless with a one click. We enjoy favorite content effortlessly and without interruption, and experience an even better gaming and movie experience. Thanks to the Bluetooth 5.2 chip, we can connect it over the Bluetooth speakers or a headphone wirelessly to an immersive audio experience. We can expand our home theater with that beamer. The AKIYO projector has a recommended projection distance of 1.2 up to 3.4 meters and a maximum projection size of up to 300 inches. The included ultra-robust ABS Plus metal tripod has a 360 degrees rotatable head for easy adjustment of the projector angle. This projector is equipped with a 75% of zoom function, which allows us to adjust the size of the projected image without moving the projector itself. This projector has an advanced and highly efficient cooling system that reduces the fan noise up to 50%. The quiet environment ensure an immersive movie experience. In addition, the built-in dual 5-watt stereo speakers with SRS sound system offers an excellent high-fidelity stereo sound. The projector does not support Dolby audio, and we can connect it as we need it. We have HDMI, USB, AV, 3.5mm audio port that supports a lot of possibility connections with smartphone, tablet, personal computer, with Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 5, Fire Stick, USB, and other devices. And we have a remote. This remote we can use to scroll between the menu, go to home, move up, move down, fast forward, slow forward, move left, right, or we can return the play, pause, volume down, volume up, and mute button. So you can see it's really easy to operate that. And if you do not use the remote control, you can make an power control on the buttons on the device itself. So we can use this button and the other buttons to move right, left, up, down, okay, and back, easy peasy on the device itself. The Imagine technology is an LCD LED light source. The resolution is 1920 to 1080. The lens life is over 50,000 hours. Oh, not only 5,000, it's 50. So 50 and 000 hours. The lumens are 200 lumens. The projection distance is 12 meter up to 1.2 meter for 40 inches, 1.8 meter to 60 inches, 2.3 meter to 80 inches, 3 meter for 105 inches, and so on. The focus is manual focus. The keystone is vertical plus minus 20 degrees. The Wi-Fi network is possible of 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. The Bluetooth is for sound transmission, 3 meter up to 5 meter range. The 3D is the red, blue D, 3D. The video format it supports is AVI, TSTP, Movie, DAT, MPEG, MKV, MP4, and so on. The input is USB 2.0 and HDMI in 2.0 and an AV. The output is in 3.5mm headphone connector. The input voltage is possible of AC 100 up to 240, 2 ampere. So it is international, 50 and 60 Hz. The built-in speaker of 4 ohm 5 watt. The power consumption is operating 56 watt, standby 5 watt. The projector size is 188 to 155 to 85 millimeter. The projector color is white, as you can see. It's also on the market available in a black finish if you need it. The weight is around about, I think, 1 kilogram. That means it is a lightweight beamer for your eyes and a lightweight, easy operation thing, of course. You see, the AKIYO is where you can use it in nearly every area where you have a power supply. Indoor, outdoor, but not direct rain, of course. Do not get this under water or something else. And we have here a Wi-Fi beamer, which you can use for your smartphone to connect each other easy peasy by screen sharing and something else. And of course, you can connect devices to it with HDMI and USB and so on. And it supports 4K. So you can make this to your brand new big movie theater projector at home or on the move, on the way. This is the AKIYO AKIYO O7 LED projector. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give them a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!